Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you an hair treatment that broke the internet with over 2 million views and how you can use it to treat baldness and alopecia. So the first ingredient I'll be using is rice. I added 3 spoons of my rice into my jar. Rice helps in detangling your hair. It makes your hair smoother. It also adds shines to your hair. It makes it stronger, and it also helps in making your hair grow. I added hot water into my rice. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is my onion. Because of how small my onion is, I made use of 5 of my onions. I removed the peels and washed, and I placed it into my pot. Onion helps in preventing hair thinning and hair breakage. It also helps in nourishing your scalp because it contains sulfur. It also helps in treating alopecia and baldness. My rice water, I kept it for 6 hours before straining. Then the next ingredient I added is my coffee. If you notice, I do use coffee because I know how great it is on my hair. Coffee contains flavonoids that helps in improving dullness of your hair. It also makes your hair shaft smoother and stronger. I also added a tablespoon of my cloves. Cloves is great in reducing hair fall and also helps in promoting hair growth. I boiled it for 10 minutes before taking it off the stove, and I strained it. Sorry, I skipped the part where I strained because I was not recording. I thought I was actually recording the video, but I didn't know I was not recording it. So after straining, I added a tablespoon of my vitamin E and also a tablespoon of my black Jamaican castor oil. Vitamin E is very good in helping with hair thinning. If you have any parts where you have hair thinning, you can make use of your vitamin E and also your black Jamaican castor oil. If you don't have black Jamaican castor oil, you can just decide to make use of the normal castor oil at home. For these hair rinse, I'm not making use of my applicator bottle. I'm going to be washing my hair with it. So I washed my hair with it and I massaged my hair. As I was washing, I was massaging my scalp so it penetrates into my scalp, and also my hair will be able to absorb the nutrients. If you know you have any area where you're having baldness and you also experience hair thinning and hair loss, so I would advise you try this treatment, which is amazing. Both onion and cloves is good for hair thinning, that I can assure you. It helps in treating hair thinning. Rice water helps in growing hair. Coffee is amazing. I have made use of both coffee and cloves, and I can tell and testify that they are both good. So having all this in one treatment is actually amazing. It will help you treat your alopecia. It will help you treat any baldness. It will help you treat any area where you have hair thinning, and also helps in promoting your hair growth. So I'll say try this treatment and you will come back and testify. I'll be leaving a link below where I made a tutorial on coffee and cloves, both the oil and the water that you can use on your hair. After washing my hair all over with this amazing treatment, I went ahead and I placed a plastic bag in order to allow it absorb into my hair. I left it for 30 minutes before shampooing and conditioning my hair. Then the next thing I used is my Moringa and my fenugreek butter. I'll be leaving a link below where I made this my Moringa and fenugreek butter. I have been making use of this way that I'm showing you, and I have seen great improvement on my. After taking out 2 tablespoons of my Moringa and fenugreek butter, I added 2 tablespoons of my black Jamaican castor oil, and I also added 2 tablespoons of my vitamin E. So let me emphasize on it. Ever since I started using my vitamin E and black Jamaican castor oil, you can also make use of your castor oil if you don't have black Jamaican castor oil available. I've been experiencing a lot of hair growth. My edges have come out so tremendously that I have made it part of my hair regimen. So I want to point this out. After washing my hair, I did not just go ahead and I applied this on my hair immediately. I allowed it to dry a little. It's between my hair was not that wet and it was not that dried completely. So I went ahead and I applied this hair butter on my hair. The reason why I'm doing this, let me just give you an example. When you are actually planting your seed, you apply your fertilizer and your water. You don't just go ahead and apply fertilizer without including water. If you apply only fertilizer, it will not germinate, it will not grow. So also it applies to your hair. When you apply your moisturizer and you don't include a little bit of water on your hair, though it may grow, but it won't grow that fast. And the water on your hair should not be excess. Also, it should just be moderate, so both can absorb very well. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and you are amazing. And to those who are just coming across my video for the first time, and you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Comment below, give this video a thumbs up. Yes, very important because it helps my video. Comment below, and if you have any question, you can also leave your questions below. I'll answer. Thank you for watching and see you on my next upload.